Welcome back finally to another video where we're going to be working on the Civic and actually making some progress. So as you can see, I have all the suspension components laid out in the ground right here because today we're going to be reinstalling them with some upgraded parts. Now some of these are still going to be getting swapped out in the future, like near future, lower control arms. We're going to be putting all this stuff back in so that this Civic over here, the EG, the big white patio turd, can start rolling. So I can roll it into the garage and paint the engine bay. So I didn't film a lot of this, but the subframe is completely primered and painted. It's looking nice. I did the Two-Step Tuesday video on looping the power steering rack so that it's now a manual rack, which is looking beautiful. Also, this is actually a new steering rack and we're good to go. We are all set. The whole subframe and steering rack assembly is ready to go back in the car. And then in the beginning of this video you just saw, I put in some new roll center adjusters. 1.6 Motorsports really hooked me up on these, so if you guys need any suspension components, if you guys need anything for your Hondas, they specialize in Honda stuff, please check out www.valixracing.com. Use my coupon code BOOSTED5 for 5% off anything on their entire website. These things are gonna be awesome. I'll explain them a little bit later, but that's a massive upgrade. That seems like such a small thing, but like these actually make such a difference from what I've heard. And then I'm gonna unbox this right now and I'll show you guys what we got in here. Bam! All right, well, with that on the way, we got a Blocks Racing sticker. It's gonna add a lot of power to the car. All right, jokes aside, this is what we got. So these are some Blocks Racing adjustable upper control arms. It's like a camber kit, essentially. These are awesome. They don't normally come with, God, I don't know what this part's called. I'm gonna sound like such an idiot right now. They don't normally come with these. These are actually Skunk 2 upgraded ones. These are just really nice bushing. They're like polyurethane or whatever. They're nice bushings, and we got a good setup for the upper control arms. It's gonna be awesome. I'll be able to adjust camber a little bit and keep that aggressive setup. So yeah, that is what we're working with today. All right. Holy shit, this thing is low right now. Oh my god, bro. Dude, this thing is low. Damn, bro. Love to see it. Love to see it. Oh! So nice. There's no creaks. Dude, you know, I'm talking to you. Do you remember I would just be, when I was stationary, I would turn the wheel and it would just like, ee! You remember that? Damn, that's so nice. Dude, you're gonna have to push me around the block once. All right, so I forgot to film, which is really annoying because that was a big moment, but we pushed the car out of the patio and into the garage. This car has not been in a garage all winter, and now it is finally in a place where I can start working on the bay, start sanding, and get the bay painted. So we're gonna be doing a couple more things really quick just to prep for tomorrow, because tomorrow, as I was saying, we're gonna be working on painting the engine bay. But we're gonna finish cleaning up out here, and then we're gonna make a quick run to Harbor Freight and also to Peter's brother's house to pick up a diesel heater so that while we're painting the engine bay, we can have some heat in there, you know, so the bay can stay nice and warm. That way the paint will cure nicely. It'll be good, it'll be good. So now we have this, but it's out of gas. Diesel. Yeah, sorry, diesel. Good morning, everybody. Today is the next day. So last night we were out here in the garage until about 11:30 p.m. sanding and cleaning this engine bay. It's looking pretty good. I still have a lot of sanding to do in order to scuff up the surface that's there now, But I have wire wheeled away all of the rust, which is fantastic. I've also degreased most of the bay. However, today I'm gonna start off by degreasing the entire bay with actual engine degreaser. I'm gonna let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and power wash the entire engine bay. Pretty nice out today. It's gonna be about 55 degrees, which is insane. We haven't had this warm weather in a while. And then I'll let the car sit out in the sun. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna buy some sanding equipment, and then I'm gonna sand this entire bay. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna pull the car back in the garage. I'm gonna put it back up on jack stands on the front side of the car, mask everything off, and then I can go ahead and put on a coat of primer, which I'm very excited to do. I'm very excited to see this car all as one color. It's gonna be really cool. Or like the engine bay all as one color and not all yucky, because there's so much yucky stuff. Check this out. Look at how much yucky stuff there is in here. Like, it's all different colors, yucky, yucky, yucky. It's been like this since I bought it. So I'm excited to see it not be yucky. Look at all that. Yucky, yucky. Plan, commit, execute, and attain your goal. Okay guys, so we've made quite a bit of progress. We are very close to starting to paint the bay. I did find that the seam sealer, the factory seam sealer on the passenger side started to peel up. So I took it all out, wire wheeled all the rust, primed it in that one spot just so that it would be sealed, and then I added some silicone sealant. Check it out. We already wiped it with mineral spirits, so we're gonna start masking now, and then we'll be able to pull the car into the garage, run the heater, get it nice and warm in there, and start priming. Dude, that actually looks so good. I'm literally mind blown right now. Should I show you guys?